Yeah, family, so you see these two stores behind me. That one right there, used books and outlet. Cool stuff for cheap. I've never been in these stores. We Google is your best friend. Find them. You already know your fam. You already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to source.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control.
Alright guys, this is the outlet. It got books in here too. Look, I got some stuff right here. I'm gonna scan this. I'm gonna scan all these. There's so much stuff in here, family. Over here. All over here. All those toys and stuff. There's so much stuff. It's gonna get crazy in here. I'm gonna start scanning, family. I'm gonna start scanning. But I'm gonna let you guys know if I find some stuff. Let's go. Hey family, I found a home run in 2.5 seconds of me being here. Listen, I'm still at the front door. I'm still at the front door, guys. Check this out. Watch this, family. Look, I told you guys. I mean, I wish I can just give this all to you guys. I wish I can like just hand you some of this. Like, but you guys are so far from me. But check this out. Look at this. Books. 100,000 in books. 209 reviews. They're all good. Look what it's selling for, guys. Listen, look at this. Look at the profits. 200% ROI profits. I can buy this. I can buy this for $1. 99 cents. Look. 99 cents. And it's gonna make me 205 in profits. Home run already. I'm buying all of them. All of them. They're coming home. So I'm still in the front row. I haven't moved, but I'm gonna show you some stuff that I'm gonna pass up. But look, check this out. These gel pens, brand new, $14.99. But they're not 100% ROI. But I know some of you guys would love this right now. Look, $14.99, $14.99. So I would make $5.15 profit. But you guys know I'm going for high ROIs. But check out the BSR is 4,000, 35 reviews. This would fly out the door. So if you guys couldn't find anything, like if I couldn't find anything, I would take all of these because I know they're gonna fly out and I'm gonna make profits. But I'm looking for 100% ROIs. But guys, I haven't even got past the first row yet, and it's insane. This whole entire store, I haven't passed the first row. It's crazy. Oh family, look what's going on here, guys. So we're pretty much done, pretty much finished up here. I bought about $100 and how much was it, baby? $120 in used. Oh no, not even used. What am I talking about? $120 in new books, brand new books, and a little bit of games, and it's like gaming books and stuff like that, but all brand new. 120 today in my ROIs. Hold on, guys. My ROIs. So yeah, family, 120. I can't even hold the cart. It's just about to spill everywhere. My ROI is like 200% and 300% on everything. And there's probably one or two books in there that are like 100%. That's it, 100% on 1 or 2. But everything else, 200 and 300% ROI. I spent 120. So 300% of 120, do the math. Guys, it was a hit. I didn't even go to the other store. I didn't even go to the other one. I just went to one. I'm not even gonna go to the other one. I think that's a wrap for right now because wife is hungry, baby's hungry, I'm hungry. We're gonna get something to eat, and then maybe we might hit Goodwill. So, see y'all when I get home. I'm gonna show you guys some of the books. Just got back home, family. The haul is crazy. I'm on the verge to doing exactly what I told you guys, and that is everything here is over 200% ROI, bare minimum 200%. There is 1 or 2 items that are like 100% ROI. So, but everything else 200 and 300%. Even I think even a little bit more than that ROI, guys. I'm gonna unbag the rest of these, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I got. Guys, I told you, and if I can do this, you guys can do this. I'm telling you, like, I'm gonna tell you everything I did. I'm gonna tell you how I found the store. Alright, family, check it out. Check it out, family. Check it all out. Check it all out, fam. Look at what I got, guys. I got a lot of stuff right there. Actually, it's a small haul, but it's still genius. It's still a good haul. I'm gonna tell you why. Let's get into what I got, guys. Alright, family. So yeah, I'm a firm believer in not just talking the talk. You gotta walk the walk. So guys, what I just showed you guys in the other video, the step-by-step how to make $1,000 a week. This is what you have to do every single day. Something like this. This is what I did today. And honestly, there was a lot more products in that store, but I just was pressed for time because I was with my wife and she had to get to work. So, you know, for her, I just cut it short, and I could have got probably double what I have here. But let's just see what I have here, guys. You guys can see all these are all brand new. These are all brand new books. And the prices are ridiculous. If that will focus. There we go. 99 cents, guys. Brand new. I'm making like 3%, 300% ROI on these. Or these, one of them. But basically, guys, I spent in total $120 on this haul right here. And I'm looking at a 300% return on investment. I'm looking at 300% ROI, 300% profits, guys. 200 to 300. I can't just say 300 because there's a lot of things in here that's 200%. There's a couple of things that's 300. There's a couple of things that's over 300, and there's a couple of, well, one or two items that are like 50% ROI, or even 100, not 50, 100% ROI. I think this is one of the 100% ROIs. I just want to test it because I have all of these are pretty much amazing BSRs, guys. I mean, for books especially. Like 500,000, selling 139 times a month, which is like what, like 6 times a day, and not that many sellers, probably like 5 to 10 sellers on each item, or some of the best items I have. So yeah, like you see this one, I picked up this book at the Goodwill like a week ago, and I listed it as used, but now this one is brand new in plastic, guys. And I got it for, if it can focus, $7.99. But it's going to make me 100%, a little bit over 100% ROI, guys, with an amazing BSR. I think it's like 400 BSR, which is insane. I bought one of these. I should have got way more of these, to be honest. I don't know why I only bought one. They had about 10. I should have bought them all. 500 rank BSR, and I think it's going to make me 200% ROI. I don't even know why I just got one. I don't know why. There was something. Oh, okay, I remember now, because these are new, but I'm listing as new, but a lot of them had a little small crease right here. Like nothing really noticeable, but like I seen it, so I know. I don't know. I just wanted this one has it as well. Let me see if you can see it. You can't really see it, but it's been like almost like the book was folded like this, like almost like it was like sitting like this for too long, but it's still brand spanking new. So I bought one just to see how it sells, see how it goes, if they return it or not. I doubt they will. It's brand new, everything. Like, I mean, the pages are crisp. You can hear like the when you open the pages. Crisp, brand new book. So, but they had like 10 more. I should have bought them all, to be honest, but I didn't. But yeah, this is my one-off pile, guys. I was looking for more of these. This is gonna make me like 300% ROI. This is like a gaming book, Call of Duty, one of my favorite all-time games when I used to play games anyway. This is like one of my favorite all-times video games, but it was Modern Warfare. But I'm not gonna talk about that right now. Yeah, it's in plastic. Got it for really cheap. It's gonna make me like 300% ROI, guys. This one is going to make me, I forgot why I only got one of these. Let me see, how much does it cost? Yeah, $2. This one's not 99 cents. $2. I think it's gonna make me 100% ROI. That's about it. Maybe even less. But it has an amazing BSR. I think it has a BSR of like 40,000 in books or something. So yeah, this is gonna sell really, really fast. Should have got more of these too. But like I said, it was 50% ROI or somewhere around there, 50 or 100. I don't know. I'm gonna check. But yeah, it had a lower ROI, return on investment. So I didn't get a lot of them. But I'm probably gonna go back and get them all anyway, because it's still gonna make me money. So I don't know why I didn't. Like, sometimes while I'm like in the store sourcing, my brain waves are like ridiculous the way I like pick products. Sometimes I just go and I'm like, nah, yes, even though some things can still make you a ton of money. I'm just like, I don't know, I skip over them sometimes. But anyways, yeah, guys, Then here go my piles, guys. Check this out. I have, I don't know how many of these. They're gonna make me about 200% ROI. I got like 21 of these. They're gonna make me 200% to 300% ROI. I'm gonna check. And I got a bunch of these as well. They're gonna make me 200% ROI. And then I got those, the cold collection right there is gonna make me I think 200 or 300% ROI, guys. And in total I spent $120. And yeah, guys, I am going to make close to 300, like 240 or something like that. So there you have it, family. I hope this gave you guys some motivation. You guys can see the profits right there. What I did to find this store, like I told you guys, I'm just using my own medicine. It's like I walk the walk. I don't just talk the talk like a lot of these gurus out there. They just be talking the talk. But like legit, guys, all I did was Google. I Googled overstock outlets. I Googled bargain stores. And I found this. And it wasn't that far from me. It was like 20 minutes from me. I drove over there and I checked it out. And yeah, and the reason, and check this out, this is why you should always do this at least once every couple months. Google overstock outlets, even though you did it a few months ago, because a few months ago when I Googled outlets, I only seen the one that I used to go to, but now this one popped up. So this is a new outlet. This wasn't even here the last time I Googled, but I just checked again and now I found a new one. So I don't, if it's as good as the other one, I can't really say yet, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's just I don't think I can negotiate prices, but they have really sweet deals, so I don't think I would need to negotiate prices. But yeah, guys, I just Googled it. There you have it. I'm on the verge of making $1,000 a week. I'm gonna go back there tomorrow. They have another one of these outlets about an hour away from me. I'm gonna make it a day trip. I'm gonna leave like at 4 o'clock in the morning and go check that one out, because you gotta think, if I made like 200 plus profits here, you know, 40 bucks in gas is nothing. You know, I'll do that all day. So yeah, guys, that being said, I have to finish my Shopify store. I have a lot of work to do, fam. Make sure to hit the notification bell if you are new here. Become a part of the family. It's gonna be daily uploads. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna show you guys how to make money. I'm gonna show you all the spots. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna show you all the tips and tricks and a lot of other cool stuff. So the proof is in the pudding, guys. I'll see you till next time. Peace.